We are pleased to show you the 2026 Subaru BRZ. The Subaru BRZ comes with agile handling, precise steering action, and powerful brakes, all contributing to a thrilling driving performance with a great fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, rear wheel drive, fog lamps, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.